Hi, my name is Daniel. Today, I want to tell you about a calm and simple day in my life. It is not a busy day. It is not a special day, but it is real, peaceful, and full of small moments. I wake up at 8:30 in the morning. There is no alarm today. The room is quiet, and the light from the window is soft. I open my eyes slowly and take a deep breath. For a few seconds, I do nothing. I just lie in bed and listen to the silence. No phone, no noise, no stress. Just a quiet morning. I sit up slowly and stretch my body. My arms feel a little heavy, but it is okay. I look around my room. Everything is simple and clean. Then I stand up and walk to the kitchen. The floor is a little cold under my feet. That cold feeling helps me wake up. The kitchen is small, but comfortable. There is a table, 2 chairs, and a window. I like this place. It feels calm. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Cold water, clean and refreshing. After sleep, my body needs water. Then I prepare my coffee. I take a cup, add hot water, and make black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just pure coffee. The smell of coffee fills the kitchen. It smells warm and strong. I take my first sip slowly. I do not feel very hungry, so I make a light breakfast. Just some bread and a little butter. Simple food is enough for me in the morning. I sit near the window and start eating. Outside, the street is quiet. A few people are walking. Some cars pass slowly. I watch everything in silence. These small moments make me feel good. After breakfast, I usually check my phone. But today, I decide not to. I want a slow and peaceful start. Instead, I take a book. It is a simple English book for learners. I open it and start reading. Some words are easy. Some words are new. Sometimes I stop and think about the meaning, but I do not worry. I keep reading, one sentence at a time. After a while, I feel a little tired. So I close the book and stand up. I stretch my body and walk around the room. Then I decide to clean a little. Not a big cleaning, just small things. I wash the dishes from yesterday. I clean the table. I organize a few assiettes on the shelf. Then I open the window. Fresh air comes inside. The room feels lighter and more alive. Time passes slowly. I look at the clock. It is already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now I feel hungry. So I go back to the kitchen to prepare lunch. Today, I cook rice and eggs. It is simple, but I really like it. I put the rice in a pot and start cooking. Then I prepare the eggs. I cook slowly. I am not in a hurry. While cooking, I play soft music. The music is calm and relaxing. The kitchen smells nice. Warm food always makes me feel comfortable. When the food is ready, I sit down and start eating. I take my time. I enjoy every bite. After lunch, I feel relaxed. My body is calm. My mind is quiet. I feel a little tired, but not sleepy. So I make another cup of coffee. I sit at the table with my notebook. I like writing my thoughts. I write about my morning. I write about how I feel. Simple words, simple ideas. Writing helps me understand my day. After some time, I decide to go outside. I wear my jacket and my shoes. The air outside is cool and fresh. I start walking slowly. I do not have a plan. I just walk and look around. I see Ines walking. I see cars moving. I see small shops and buildings. Everything feels normal but peaceful. After a few minutes, I stop at a small store. I go inside and look around. I buy a bottle of water and some bread. The man at the store smiles and says hello. I smile back. Small moments like this make the day better. Then I leave the store and walk back home. When I arrive, I feel a little tired, so I take a warm shower. The water is hot and relaxing. It helps me forget all the small stress in my body. After the shower, I feel fresh and light. I go to the kitchen again and sit down. I drink another glass of water. The house is quiet again. I enjoy the silence. As the evening comes, the light outside changes. The sky becomes orange, then slowly dark. I turn on a small light in the room. The atmosphere feels warm and calm. I do not feel very hungry at night, so I prepare something small, maybe just an egg and some bread, or a little rice. I eat slowly and quietly. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash my plate and dry the table. Everything looks clean again. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I do it slowly and carefully. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. It was a simple day. No big events, no stress, no problems. Just small, peaceful moments. Before going to bed, I sit for a few minutes. I think about my day. I feel thankful. I feel calm. Then I turn off the lights and go to bed. I lie down and close my eyes. The room is quiet again. Tomorrow will be another day. Maybe similar, maybe different. But for now, I rest. Good night.